All right, party people in the place to be. Back at it with another video. Today we got the Osmo Nano from DJI, and we're gonna do an unboxing. It just came in, so let's get to it. Make it fresh, people. Make it fresh. Make it fresh. Got a little pull tab. They make it so easy nowadays. They know you're gonna unbox it. They know you're gonna unbox it, people. They make it so easy nowadays. Let's see what we got in here. All right. Look like we got a little suction cup thingy. We got our suction cup thingamabob. Bam. USB-C, as always. Bam. Look like we got a cover for our little camera. Bam. What did we drop on this floor? Nice high quality hat clip. Bam. And also look like we got a nice high quality necklace, so we can put that camera right here. We're gonna put this on right here right now. We're gonna go and do that there. And we got literature that nobody reads. Bam. We got some DJI stickers. Nice high quality stickers at that, y'all. Nice high quality. And here we go. And now we got the nice high quality camera, as you can see. Let's go and pull that up off there and get that on off there. And as you can see, it is pretty damn small. That's the camera. And this is the display. They got a fancy word for it, but I'm gonna call it the display. Bam, there you go, look at that. That's our quality screen. You pop that bad boy on there like that, and boom. So this is what comes in the box. You got the Nano, your suction, your hat clip, your protection, and your USB-C cord. And here's your Action 5. Bam. Bam. And there you go for comparison. And here's your Go 3S for comparison. Your Go 3S. Bam. Bam. And here you go for comparison. And now let's take this bad boy off and let's compare these two. Here's the camera for the Go 3S, and here's what they look like together, people. We're gonna check it inside out, see how this bad boy works. Let me rip this on off. And bam! Look at that. Look at that, people. That's horizontal. And then you can flip that bad boy like that there, and bam! If you in the nightlife somewhere out and about, ain't nobody even gonna recognize this in the nighttime, because you know they're gonna be, because you know people be a little sauced up, be on that happy sauce, that drink, so they ain't even gonna notice this. So you're gonna be able to slide up in wherever you at and have a good time and get you some nice high quality travel footage when you're on your vacation. The reason I got the DJI Nano is because I'm deep into the DJI ecosystem, so I want to check it out. I know when I use this bad boy, when I'm using my drone footage and putting the footage together, it don't really match up. But these two, they're gonna go good with my drone footage because they're in the same ecosystem. And then this should take the place of this. But we got some testing to do. So I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing, the quick comparison of the sizes. I'm gonna do some testing with this bad boy and see what it do. By now, I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all have seen a bunch of videos and y'all have had the chance to check it out yourselves. Comment down below what you think. Comment down below if you're gonna get it. Like always, it's your boy, the Drone Dreamer. To the next episode, people. Peace.